Hi, I'm Valentina. Welcome back. Today I am sharing my favorite, my most worn summer bags. Some of these are older, some are new, but they're all, in my opinion, 100% worth buying. But before we get into that, let's put on some jewelry first. I'm very excited to share this collaboration with you with Ania Haie. Ania Haie is a London-based brand and they have all kinds of semi-precious and precious stones jewelry on their website. Most of it is silver with plated rhodium and 14 karat gold, or they have solid gold as well. I will leave all the info down below in the description together with my favorites, what I picked up. And also there will be a discount code Valentina20, which is going to be valid until the end of this year, which is great if you want to save something for later. So this brand really caught my eye because they have such exquisite and classic, most of it's classic, I think, and then they also do have like seasonal design as well, especially for summertime. You can find a lot of stars, shells, pearls, etc. I'm very excited to share what I have chosen. So let's start first with earrings. So I picked up one pair of earrings and then 2 necklaces and 2 bracelets. So this is going to be the first item that I chose. These are golden hoop earrings with a pearl. They are such a timeless, elegant, classic piece, and I know that I will be wearing these so often. They are going to be so easy to combine with outfits, to layer with other jewelry. They're just so pretty, whether it is for daily wear or a special occasion. Then we're going to layer these beautiful 2 necklaces. You can absolutely wear them separately, but I thought I saw a picture of the model on the website and I immediately knew I wanted these. So beautiful together. They are ideal for layering. It's such a romantic design. They're so delicate. So you can absolutely wear this every day. They are made of silver. They are 14K gold plated, and with my discount Valentina20, it is going to be such a good price for this combo. Okay, lastly we have these 2 bracelets. I am going to put them on. I chose these 2 again for layering. A tennis bracelet, in my opinion, is a must-have for every girl because it just goes so well with layering with other bracelets, or you can just wear it by itself. It is such a beautiful, elegant piece. And then the second bracelet is a more delicate golden rope twist bracelet. It is also gold plated, and I love these types of bracelets. And that's it. These are the Ania Haie pieces that I will be wearing throughout this video. Thank you so much, Ania Haie brand, for this collaboration. And now let's continue with the bags. I'll start with my most worn, my oldest bag, which is still available for purchase because it is such a classic design. This is a Saffiano leather bag by Camelia Roma. I've had this, I don't even remember when I purchased this, for sure 5, 6, maybe even 7 years. I've worn this bag so often, especially in summer and springtime, because of its color. Not quite sure the exact name of the color, but I will leave all the links down below. It is very easy to open it, and still after 7 years it works so well. And there's plenty of space inside. It has 2 pockets on the sides and one with a closure. It is such a practical, comfortable bag that I plan to wear until it wears out. It still looks like, it doesn't look like new, but it's a little bit dirty here on the side, but it is holding pretty well. So Camelia Roma, I haven't bought anything from them in a long time, but this is 100% worth the price. It is real leather, and yeah, so this is my number one. Moving on to Polene, a brand that I talk about so often. I feel like I am already boring you with that brand. This is my Beri in stone, I think. I've worn this so much last summer, and I'm sure that I will this summer as well. I have already been using it so much. It's a little bit dirty on the inside. This one fits so much as well. I live in Texas now, so the summer has been here for quite some time now, so I have been carrying all of these pretty often. I love that the strap is adjustable, but I honestly mostly wear it as a handbag. I prefer how it looks like that. And since I love the shape, since I love the Polene design, I couldn't resist to purchase this new color. This is in fresh almond. This is my newest bag. What can I say? I already got so many compliments for this bag. It is such a unique design and style, and this woven leather is just so soft. It is the softest bag Polene has ever made, at least from my collection. And well, you know, it is the same as the stone one from inside. I just think that it's a bit prettier. The colors are a bit prettier on the inside. This is also a very nice, comfortable, very practical bag, not like Polene numero 10, for example, because of the opening, but still I do feel very comfortable with this bag, especially if I carry it on my shoulder. This is the difference between these two designs. The stone one is the older version, and then this has a different clasp right there. I prefer this one with the golden details. So this is my new favorite. I carry this one whenever I can, and even though it's like a, you know, minty color, I just feel like it does go with a lot of outfits, especially in summertime. I've had another models from Polene for quite some time now. I have never had any quality issues. These are newer. I just wanted you to see them together, and I do believe that they are going to last as the older ones have lasted, and that I won't have any quality issues. At least I haven't had any quality issues with Polene, so I am very happy with all of Polene purchases. Moving on to this canvas tote bag from Zara, which is kind of like Polene Sim dupe. So I got this one last year, but I've seen that they have a new version. It's a little bit smaller. It's like a Polene Sim Mini. This one is huge, so I love to carry this one if I go to a pool or to the beach, or there's so many space inside. There's this detachable, okay, let me just show you. There it is. You can detach this from the inside, the little pouch, and then you have all the space if you want to carry your books, your iPad, laptop, whatever it is, towels on the beach, and that's how I carry it. And then in the inside, I just put all of the smaller things that can get lost. I also feel like this would be a very good travel bag for summer. It is such a beautiful tote bag. Love the colors, love the option to carry it as a handbag or a shoulder bag, especially if it is a little bit heavier. This was such a good purchase. It still looks like brand new, even though I've used it a lot. So if you're thinking about getting the newer version, definitely do, because you will be using this one a lot. Moving on to Sezane. I feel like Sezane has been pretty popular recently, and especially their basket bags, even though they're pricey. So considering that in the end it is a basket bag, but the quality of this bag, it's just, I mean, it is so good. And then these letters here, the logo, I don't know, it just feels on touch. And then the leather strap, you can absolutely feel the quality. I have been carrying this one so often recently as well. It is such a romantic design, especially with the little flower daisies. And there is an option to use it without those details. The size is perfect. It's not so big. There is a mini version of the Justine, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, bag, but I chose this one in the end because it fits more. This one also has two straps, longer and shorter. And then also I have my things inside. There is the option to put your things. This is not detachable, so it is stitched to the bag. But there is this option to put small things inside so they don't get lost. I really like that as well, and you can close that. So 100% obsessed. I don't say that very often with this bag. I love all of the bags from their website. They have so many different designs of this basket bag. I also like the one with roses, and then the classic one. I think it has some small details. I'm gonna put the picture right here. I think it's just like a classic for summer, and I have been carrying mine every week for sure. I have two more bags to show you. Let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite, and if maybe you have one of these too, if maybe we have a similar taste. So this is a bag that I got in H&M. I think it was like 20, it was below $30, I remember that. I also, it's a very lightweight bag. I love these details. It is of course not real leather, and the only thing that I didn't love about it, I love the design, I love the shape and the size of it, but what I didn't love is that I can't close it. And as you can see, it's always like pretty open, and it's very visible what I have inside. It is not a very safe bag, although it is so nice. It has a pocket on the side, and for the price, come on, it is a gorgeous little bag. Also goes so well with all the colors, dresses for summertime. I don't know if this one is still available. If not, I will leave a link maybe of a similar bag from H&M. And now moving to the last piece. I got this bag this spring. It is Longchamp Le Pliage in extra small. This was a limited spring edition from the new spring collection. I mean, this bag is so adorable. It has these little artichoke details. It is such a good quality, like all of the Longchamp bags, real leather. Obviously, this one cannot fit so much, but it absolutely can fit your phone. If you have a big phone, I do have a big phone, and my car keys, and then some lipsticks. It absolutely can fit all of that. So if you don't have Le Pliage extra small, if you're thinking about getting it maybe in a different color, I will check out their new summer colors. I'm sure there is something interesting. It is also very useful, and also when you carry it like that without the strap, I mostly wear it as a crossbody on my hip. It looks so chic. But even like this, you know, when I have it in my hand as a handbag, I feel like it attracts a lot of people. Like, you know, I've seen a lot of girls eyeing this bag. It is so cute, mostly because of the pattern for me. But yeah, this one is also a very practical bag for such a tiny bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you have liked any of these gorgeous, delicate jewelry pieces by Haie, remember to use my discount code Valentina20. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.